Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel Technology. Come, so welcome to a fresh episode. Charlie. On this channel, we talk about how to make money, lifestyle, and what we want African YouTubers to do. We are not here to support violence, war, and things. Now we don't do that. We support peace and unity. So today's episode, I want you to know the reason why most African YouTubers are afraid of Wodemaya and Miss Trudy, and they hate Ayamawe and deemwango. Forgive me for the accent because I'm not Kenyan, I'm Ghanaian. So I want us to know this. The reason why most African YouTubers hate Ayamawe and deemwango and love Wodemaya and Miss Trudy. Let me say love. It's not love. It's more than love. They are afraid of Wodemaya and Miss Trudy. Do you know one thing? Do you know that Miss Trudy and Wodemaya, they try to project Africa on the map. They try to promote African culture, and Ayamawe also try to promote, let's say, worldwide, like Kenyan, Brazil. Like he try to project other countries on the map, like Western world on the map. That's why most of Ayamawe viewers are from United States, because he always try to go there and project United States on the map. And Wodemaya and Miss Trudy also project Africa on the map. And when Wodemaya and deemwango are in Africa, they try to project their village on the map. You see the thing? So there are two different things. But I want to show you the reason why most YouTubers in Africa are afraid of Wodemaya, because Wodemaya have all the connections in Africa in terms of YouTube and things. So they are afraid, like if I talk anything bad about this guy, if he's doing something that's not right and I talk about it, maybe when I need his support in some way, he will not give me the support. So the best thing is I shouldn't talk about him. Let me rather talk about the other opponent. And the other opponent too, he's in Africa, but he's trying to project the word on the map, so he cannot help me. That's how these YouTubers think, because they know that maybe what Ayamawe is doing is right, but they will still talk bad about it, like this so-called YouTube reactors. So why don't YouTube reactors always react, but they always react badly to Ayamawe, and they always talk good about Wodemaya? And it was because you know that Wodemaya have something to save them. Wodemaya can meet them in Africa and try to project their YouTube channel to other Africans, so that they will see, they will view, they will subscribe for them to also progress in their YouTube hustle. But they think Ayamawe is more of Western world, like his village lifestyle and things. But the thing is, like, I know they are all two different brand, two different things, like two different people doing their own things and things. Like, it's the thing. But you shouldn't be afraid of one and hate one, because Ayamawe is also African. Like, he's also African, and he needs most of this African support. You know that what Ayamawe is doing, like right now, his subscribers must be more than 1 million. But because of the hate and envy, that's why people are not projecting the good life of Ayamawe to other Africans. So they see Ayamawe as a bad person. That's why his YouTube channel is not going faster as Wodemaya. See the thing? So someone commented that there are two different things. The video I did yesterday, I made it clear that there are two different brands. Someone is projecting Africa, someone is projecting his village, and the lifestyle, the Western world lifestyle. You see that thing? So it's two different things. Yeah. So they hate I am aware because you know that's like, let me criticize I am aware. Like, he doesn't have anything to give me, he doesn't have anything to serve me. So if I criticize him and get views, I'm cool with it. But with Maya is always in Africa, trying to project Africa on the map. So if I try to condemn him, maybe some point I will need his support, his help, and I will not get it. So they fear Wodemaya and Miss Trudy. See that then, like when they try to talk about Wodemaya and Miss Trudy, other YouTubers think that you hate them. I don't hate anyone. I'm just saying what I know. I'm just saying what like is supposed to be what to be done. But people are afraid to say. But me, I'll say it as I see it. I don't hate anyone. I don't dislike anyone. I love everyone. Is that thing? But I want the unity, like, to be up to some standard. Is that thing? Like, we shouldn't hate someone and love another one. Yeah, they are all different people. Wodemaya, what Wodemaya is doing, like Ayamara is doing, is different. Is different. So why this hate and things? Yeah. So most, like, you see that most YouTube reactors always react badly to Wodemaya, badly to, sorry, to Ayamare, and go to Wodemaya. And have you asked yourself why? You haven't, because you don't know. The reason is because they are afraid of Wodemaya, because they know that Wodemaya has something to offer, and Ayamare is always focusing on his village and his lifestyle in the Western world. So if they try to jeopardize Wodemaya's brand, they are also doing their self, because maybe some point they will need the help of Wodemaya and they will not get it. So they are afraid of Wodemaya. I'm saying this. That's true. They are afraid of Wodemaya and Miss Trudy, because I've been on YouTube for more than a decade, and I've tried watching this so-called reactors, their reaction. And you know that at first, let's say last 3 or 4 years going, they like with Ayamare wasn't in their mouth. Just recently, Ayamare tried to traveling outside and things, and his channel is on the rise. That's why every YouTuber wants to condemn him and get views, and it's no good. And you know that if you condemn Ayamare, you will get a lot of Wodemaya's fans to support you, and they will increase your views. So the best thing is, let me go against Ayamare, so that I'll get the favor of Wodemaya, and it's not good. And it's not good at all. It's not good at all. But the thing is, you can't hate someone and love another one. That's not good as a Christian. But I'm not just talking about Christianity. But I want you to know the reason why most these African YouTubers dislike Ayamare and love Wodemaya. And this love is not just a genuine love. They are afraid of him. They are afraid of him, because they know that if I talk bad about this person, I'm just condemning my YouTube channel. And if you try to talk about Wodemaya, like, his fans will come at you thinking you hate Wodemaya, but that's not the case. That's not the case. We are all one. If something is going bad, we have to say it. Is it a thing? That's not the case. So you YouTube reactors, calling yourself reactors, reacting to people's video, try, if Wodemaya also do bad, try and react to it. Try and react to it. Because Wodemaya's videos, a lot of Wodemaya's video also needs to be react badly. But they always go in for the good things. Meanwhile, Ayamare's videos, most of his videos have good impressions. So why don't you talk about a good thing and always try to condemn that nigga that he's a burger, he's a fraud? Meanwhile, Wodemaya too always also have Patreon, PayPal account in his descriptions where people also donate to him. This not fair. This not fair at all. This not fair at all, bro. This not fair at all. You will not say this YouTube reactors talking about Miss Trudy and Wodemaya's marriage, but it was talking about Deemwango and his Philippine boyfriend JB, a dating relationship, and it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. We are Africans. I know that Africans here, we will never love ourselves, but we shouldn't love one and dislike one because they are not in competition. Wodemaya is doing his own thing, and Mary is also doing his own thing. They are two different people altogether. We should understand this and try project them to me. I love Wodemaya, I love Ayamare, I love Miss Trudy, I love deemwango. Like, I love them all. See that thing because they are all doing good, they are all doing great, and they all inspire us to be YouTubers. See that thing. So don't try and dislike someone because you know that that person is all about Africa. And if I try to talk about him Bali, like I will lose favor and things. But if I talk about this guy, like this guy there is always about Western world village, so he cannot do something good for me. But me having said I am married before, I'm married having chat me before, but I'm doing the right thing. I'm not doing something to get favor from I am married. Nah, I'm doing the right thing. What I've seen on YouTube is what I'm saying. I'm doing the right thing. So please, you have to put a stop to those kind of things. It's never help us. We shouldn't be afraid of one and hate one. We should be, if we are to be afraid of them, Jay, that's cool. If we have to love them, that's cool. We shouldn't be afraid of one and hate one. That's not good. So this is the reason why African YouTubers hate Ayamare and love, and it's not love. They are afraid of Wodemaya. That's it. I'm out.